See what you got.
I had a cage ball before that one.
Keep that back leg. Stay balanced, okay? I want you to finish the swing and stay. Okay. Okay. Just for like 3 seconds. 1, 2. Drop that knee. A little too wide, okay? Whew. Getting a little tired?
But
Yeah. We're almost done.
I don't think so.
Mm. Bring those hands back. Don't forget to bring them back. Finish over that back shoulder. It's a great swing at a low pitch.
They keep doing dropping like that. Every time when I turn around, I see it. See?
All right, last 3. Rip them. Keep your eyes on it. Keep your head on it. Whoa, that was a terrible swing. That's it. All right, one more because of that bad swing. Beautiful.